Ew. Do y'all clean your stuff? In this house? Do you guys clean your...
I did fine.
He's gonna bite you.
What do they say as a greeting? What is it?
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, this is my friend Mathin. He's from... Where are you from, Mathin?
Hello, I'm from Western country, innit?
Which one?
Western country, of the UK.
Okay, hello.
Western country UK is more, they're more Americanized.
Hello, hello.
My two other British friends.
How you guys doing?
Hello.
Would you go?
This is Jars. His head is about like 200 meters wide. Over there, Lily.
What kind is it?
Matt.
Just like normal?
Mandy. It's alright. You know, I'm really about to take over for Lily because, you know, I'm really the most legit vlogger there is. Pretty much been doing it all my life, so I just wanted to share my talent with you guys and take Lily's job and show you guys what a true vlogger is.
Like with a stutter 90% of the time.
But when that camera comes in front of my
I'm gonna insert that video actually.
Okay. Well, when that camera comes in my face, I never stutter. I'm a star. I'm a star. I'm a star, and this is what I do for real. Like, I don't know, so it's been real. And hold on, I want to do a nice little intro, so here's the button. Bye.
Chestnut roasting on an open fire.
Oh, the British man is back.
Coffee dripping out your nose. Eyes aglow, will we are to sleep so night. They know fat helps so make the season bright.
Guys, this is my favorite song. How did you know?
Teeny tots? Oh, tiny tots.
Come on.
It looked like an A. Alright, you can play.
And my phone is Sean is black, and then
You can't even.
Sean did it. Snap.
Look who we're with. The one and only. Hey guys. We missed her. And then these fools.
What's up, vlog?
You're gonna blow up. Maybe act like you're chatting. What do we think? You hate it.
It's definitely a gummy.
Oh my god. Did you try it yet?
Very good. Ate both. Yummy, gummy.
I'm at this coolest bagel shop in the entire world. It's in Charlestown. And I got diet cream soda. Morgan's here.
I got a lot to release. It's not ready yet.
Oh my god. You're not even ready. Look at this. Can you see? Alright, first bite. Are you ready? Yeah. Bagel. You like it? 10 out of 10. Asiago bacon and cheese. He's gorgeous.
This is a toasted marshmallow and vanilla latte from Bagel Toast Bakery. Okay, first sip.
First sip. What do we think? Okay. Review.
Can't really taste the syrup.
Oh, also Morgan had to wait a solid 20 minutes for this drink. Her food is almost gone. Oh,
4 out of 10.
4 out of 10 for the 20-minute wait. Dang it. Here with my buddy. It's not focusing. Maddie, what's your go-to order at Chick-fil-A?
I order a Chick-fil-A sandwich with American cheese and extra pickles. And
Some water to drink?
yeah.
I think mine is, it switches up often. No pickles for sure.
No pickles, no sauce for Lily.
Yeah. Today though, had some strips and a DC Diet Coke. It's empty though. Just a little bit of melted ice.
Okay, I'm trying my first ever Red Bull. White peach, and I'm really excited. Morgan told me to try Red Bulls. We were talking about energy drinks. She said, try Red Bull. I said, okay. Summer edition. Walk by the guy at the front desk drinking the same one. I said, okay, twin. Okay. It's fine. It's peach. I would say 5 out of 10. Okay guys,